Next, we'll go for the key value pair extraction, or the KVP step. The KVP step extracts important information from PDF files in pairs. So if I show you the input file that we have, it's an invoice for a Spanish company. And there's important information you can get here, like the date or the total. So what we have actually done is we've set an expected keys file, which I'll bring over here. So we wanted the total, and what we've done is we've made an expected keys called total, and we've given it a synonym. So if the key value pair extraction finds this, then it will give a value and output it paired with the total instead. Now, let me show you what the output will look like. Okay, created successfully. There we go. So we've got the province, Madrid, we've got the date, which was fecha in the file, and the total have all come out as expected. Now, if you just want to get all the data, then you don't need to use an expected keys, and there's more information that you can extract. I just quickly go back, such as the key bounding box, value bounding box, page number, a confidence value, and there's even different output types. So I did JSON, but there's also CSV and XML available. So that's all there to try out.